Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and safe at your home. Today I have this book for you. This is our cursive skill, my book. Okay, cursive capital letters. So we have done its 4-5 pages, but we are going to repeat them. Okay. So today in English class we are not reading, we are learning cursive capital letters. Okay. Before it we are going to learn some patterns, cursive patterns. Okay. So let's start cursive patterns. Okay. We have learned these previously, but let's do it one more time. So these are slanting lines, left and right slanting lines. So what we have to do is we have to copy them. Okay, in your cursive capital book, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines are here, and in 1, 2, 3 lines. Okay, do not touch this रेड लाइन बिलो द ग्रीन लाइन. ओके, आपको ये नीचे वाली रेड लाइन पे कुछ भी नहीं लिखना है. आपको सिर्फ ये एक रेड और 2 ग्रीन लाइंस तक ही लिखना है. ठीक है, ध्यान रहेगा. तो हमें अब क्या करना है, 4 स्लैंटिंग लाइंस बनानी है. 2, 3, 4. ओके, नाउ कॉपी दिस. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now right slanting line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we will copy this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we have to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do this in your copy very neat and cleanly. Okay. So these are line patterns. What we call it? Line patterns. Okay. Now we are going to learn some curve. Left curve and right curve. Okay, this is right curve and that is left curve. Okay, so let's start making curve. First curve, right curve. Okay, now we are going to make left curve. It's a kind of half circle. We can say this is half circle. Okay, now write it one more time. Okay, these are 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of patterns, and now we are going to learn some more patterns of this. Okay, now let's do next curve. Okay, this is also curvy shape, like this. 1 and 2 curve. Okay, this is a very easy curve, but we have to write in these 3 lines. Don't touch this last line, and like we make 3. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है आपको? तो ऐसे करके आपको ये कर्व बनाने हैं, लेफ्ट कर्व एंड राइट कर्व. ओके, दिस इज लेफ्ट कर्व, These patterns help you to write cursive writing. That's why we teach these curves to you. Okay, they are not meaningless. ये फालतू नहीं है. ये कर्व्स अगर आपसे अच्छे से बनने लगते हैं तो आपको कर्सिव राइटिंग लिखने में हेल्प होती है. ठीक है. Okay, so these are curves and left and right curve, and now we are going to up and down curve. Okay, one loop, second loop and third loop. Okay, do it very carefully. Now this is up curve and now we are going to make down curve. Make it very neatly and cleanly. और एक कर्व बनाते हुए आपका हाथ उठना नहीं चाहिए, है ना. एक ही बार जो आपने पेंसिल रखी है वो कर्व को पूरा करने के बाद ही हटनी चाहिए. ठीक है. एक बार फिर बना लेते हैं जैसे मैं कर रही हूँ. एज आई एम डूइंग, एज यू हैव टू डू. ओके, you will enjoy these making. मगर ये कर्व्स को बनाते हुए आपको अपनी बुक को स्पॉइल नहीं करना है, फाड़ना नहीं है. ओके, मेक इट प्रॉपरली एंड नीटली, क्लीनली. ओके, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मेक सम मोर कर्व्स. वी आर गोइंग टू फिनिश curves in this class. Okay, the next curve is, you can see here, this is quite difficult for you, but try to make it and practice. Make a U, then down it, then again up, down and up. Okay, so this has to be done in these 3 lines. Don't touch this 4th line. Again we are going to make it down, up, down, up. Okay, you will enjoy making these curves and loops. Okay, do you like it? I'm enjoying it. Okay, this one is done now. And now in this is quite different from this one. Okay, how to do it? Like this. We have to make 2 loops in it. There was no loop, but in this we have 2 loops. Okay, I'm telling you again, you will enjoy making these patterns. Okay, so this one is done now. Now let's move on to next pattern. Okay, these 2 are the last pattern for the day. Okay, the last one is quite difficult for you. Okay, let's do the first one. From the 3rd line we will start. make a loop, again make a loop and end it. Okay, again start this, make a loop in 2 lines, make second loop and end this, make 2 loops and end this. Okay, make these patterns very carefully, neatly and cleanly in your textbook. Okay, now this one is quite difficult for you, but it is very what can we say, joyful and very cute looking pattern. Make a circle, again make a circle, 1 2 3 4 5 circles are there. 1, again make a loop, again and again. Okay, it needs a very hard work and practice. So we have the book for practice this. Okay, and one more time. So these are some patterns for cursive writing. You have to practice them in your cursive writing book, cursive capital book. Okay, fill those pages and take a pic of it and send me in the homework section. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.